Hello friends, have you ever thought how great it would be if there was a single machine that could perform more than one different task? Often, we buy a machine to start a manufacturing business and we only produce one product with it. And if it doesn't succeed, it becomes useless. But 2026 is the era of smart work. So today, we are going to show you the top 6 machines that are considered single machines but can help you create multiple products and compete strongly in the market. With these machines, whether you are from a village or a city, you can start multiple manufacturing businesses. Yes, these machines can help you explore different business options. So, let's get started without further delay. Hi friends, and welcome to New Business Ideas. Number 1. Multifunctional Food Extruder. Did you know that it costs very little to produce a packet of kurkure that is sold in the market? The advantage of this machine lies in its versatility. By simply changing a nozzle or die, you can make different types of puffed snacks from the same base mix. In the 2026 market, people are now looking for customized flavors like peri-peri or cheesy masala. Just prepare a basic mix and this machine will produce 10 different products. The best part? You can experiment with multiple shapes and flavors. Demand for snacks is usually consistent, but it still depends on your local market and competition. Number 2. UV Flatbed Printer Machine. These days, people don't want simple products, but products with their name on them. That's the important factor for your revenue. This UV printer can create many customized products that often have higher margins than regular printed items. While ordinary printers only print on paper, this UV printer can print high-quality photos on mobile covers, glass bottles, wooden gifts, and even stones. Its ink dries quickly, and the prints last for many years. If you create a small Instagram page and promote your work, some businesses report high profit margins on personalized gifts. But your results will depend on pricing, competition, and marketing. Number 3. Cold Press Oil Machine. People are now abandoning refined oil and switching to pure cold pressed oil. But are they getting the right quality? This is where you come in. This machine doesn't just extract oil, it also earns people's trust. With this single machine, you can extract mustard, groundnut, coconut, almond, and even nigella oil. In 2026, live oil extraction is a big trend, extracting oil directly in front of the customer's eyes. Usually, good quality cold-pressed oil can get a higher price in many markets, both for consumption and for Ayurvedic or cosmetic uses. But pricing always depends on your local demand and competition. Number 4. Laser Cutting Machine. A simple piece of wood might be very cheap, but after it's laser designed, its value can increase many times, depending on design and customer segment. This machine is for those who love a blend of creativity and technology. Give a command from the computer and it cuts wood, acrylic, leather, and paper with the help of a laser beam. You can create premium products like home decor, office nameplates, and wedding cards. The finish is so fine that no one can do it by hand, and you can command a higher price for it. Number 5. Hydraulic Multipurpose Press Machine. If you want to set up a mini factory on a very low budget, this machine can be a powerful tool for small manufacturers because it can produce different products. This machine is called the Brahmastra of business because it can switch products, but success still depends on demand, quality, and marketing. Changing its die is very easy. Make paper plates for an hour, cut slippers in the next hour, and then pack scrubbers using the same machine. This machine is very useful in villages and small towns because raw materials are easily available there. This machine is best for those who want to change their product overnight according to market demand. Number 6. Multipurpose Grinding Machine. Did you know that grinding and packaging whole spices can significantly increase their value? Yes, with this single machine, you can offer more than 5 different grinding services or product lines. This machine grinds everything thoroughly into a fine powder, whether it be spices such as turmeric, chili, and coriander, or grains such as wheat, rice, and corn. Moreover, today's consumers prefer pure gram flour, which you can also produce using this machine. It's most important to make your product stand out in the market as long as you maintain quality and understand your local demand. So friends, these were the 6 machines that can be used for multiple types of product and business ideas. But remember, simply buying a machine doesn't guarantee a successful business. You also need to know how to sell your products or services. Focus on your marketing and don't compromise on quality. If you want to know the price or supplier information for these machines, write the machine name in the comments below and I will try my best to send you the details. If you liked the video, please like it and share it with your friend who wants to start their own business. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep earning.